Artificial intelligence is everywhere today, from the smartphones in our pockets to the large-scale platforms that make real-time decisions in industry and in the economy as a whole. Technology has been the critical driver in social and economic development worldwide since the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, but critical advances in key enablers such as quantum computing and AI suggest that we may be living right now in an age more profound than the age of steam or electricity or even nuclear technology. But there's one critical difference between past generations and today. Inventors, developers, and investors in new technologies could not predict success or failure, either in the engineering art or in the market acceptance of an innovation. But what if that could be different? What if the AI tools used to develop and optimize new technologies could be applied predictively to determine the likelihood of success in an innovation early in the product development and investment cycle? I spoke with Jared van Ingen, CEO and co-founder of the world's first technology forecasting platform, GetFocus. Take a look. In many technologies, we've seen where the theoretical basis for a breakthrough technology existed decades, in some cases, before the actual technology was developed. Does that represent a hidden gold mine of data, which is scientific publications that go back perhaps half a century, but contain a nugget of truth, which is only one innovation stepwise away from a breakthrough? Is that the kind of thing that you could leverage?
Well, the whole narrative around breakthroughs, I think, is wrong. We think of them as breakthroughs, but the reason why we think of them as breakthroughs is because of this exponential curve. So you have your standard state-of-the-art technology, and then in the beginning, it's really bad, the emerging technology, like the stealth materials, really impractical, doesn't really work, too expensive, whatever the reason may be. And then when it passes with a big jump, because over the years, the steps get bigger and bigger, and that's what we think of as a breakthrough. But this trajectory, it's been on the whole time, and you can measure it. So if I know here that it's gonna get there, then it's not a breakthrough. It's not so surprising anymore. It's not a miraculous finding that has been made that all of a sudden enables this technology to be better. No, it's a continuous compounding effect of improvement that eventually leads to really big steps, which we think of as breakthroughs, but are not and are almost entirely predictable.